In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change permissions on a zip file. This process is essential for controlling who can access and modify your files. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open File Explorer on your computer. This is the application that allows you to browse and manage your files and folders. Look for the folder icon, often found on your taskbar or in your Start menu. Once you have File Explorer open, navigate to the location where your zip file is stored. It might be in your Downloads folder, desktop, or any other directory you commonly use. This step is crucial because you need to start from the right location to find the file you want to modify. Next, once you locate your zip file, right-click on it. This action opens a context menu with various options. From this menu, select Properties. This option is usually near the bottom of the list. Selecting Properties is important because it opens a new window that allows you to view and change the file settings, including permissions. When you click on Properties, a window will appear showing details about the zip file such as its size, location, and permissions. Now, in the Properties window, click on the Security tab at the top. This tab is where all the permission settings are located. You will see a list of groups and users that currently have access to the file. This section is important because it allows you to manage who can view or edit the contents of your zip file. It's essential to familiarize yourself with this interface as it will enable you to make informed decisions about file access. After you have accessed the Security tab, click the Edit button. This button is usually located near the middle of the window. Clicking Edit allows you to modify user access settings. You might notice a warning that changing permissions can affect file security. This warning is just a reminder to proceed with caution, as improper changes can lead to unauthorized access. In the next step, you will see two boxes in the Edit window. In the top box, select the specific user or group whose permissions you want to change. This selection is vital because it defines which users' permissions you are adjusting. You may see a list of users and groups. Choose the one you want to manage. Now look at the bottom box where you can see several permission options. Here, check the boxes under Allow or Deny for the following rights: full control, modify, or read. Each of these permissions has a specific impact. Granting full control allows the user to do anything with the file, while modify permits editing and read only allows viewing. It's crucial to set these permissions correctly to maintain your file's integrity and security. Finally, after you have adjusted the permissions as needed, click Apply. This button confirms your changes. After that, click OK to save the restrictions you have set. This step ensures that all your modifications are officially recorded, and you will see a confirmation message indicating that the settings have been updated successfully. By following these steps, you have effectively changed the permissions on your zip file. This process helps maintain control over who can access your files, ensuring that only authorized users can make changes. Remember, managing file permissions is a key part of data security. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.